Good day everyone, I am Ludlag Suri Erasca and today I will present my project titled Project Healthy Moves, a fun, fitness, and hygiene program for kids. So our theme for today is Galaw at Kalikasan para sa malusog na kabataan. So sa maraming elementary schools, napapansin natin na may mga bata na hindi pa sanay sa proper hygiene at hindi rin masyadong active physically. So dahil dito, mas nagiging prone sila sa sakit at unhealthy habits habang bata pa lang. So kaya ginawa ko ang project na ito. Ang goal nito ay turuan ng mga bata kung paano alagaan ang kanilang katawan in a fun, simple, and engaging way.
Let's talk about washing our hands. We wash our hands before we eat, after using the bathroom, and after playing outside. Just use water, a little soap, scrub all over, and rinse well. Clean hands keep us safe.
The main goal of this project is to promote hygiene and active lifestyle sa 50 na grade 3 students. Specifically, this project aims to turuan sila ng tamang hand washing and personal hygiene. Kalawa is ikayatin silang sumali sa fun, physical activities, and lalo na is mapaintindi sa kanila na ang pagsali sa fun physical activities ay may malaking epekto. So ipapaintindi natin sa kanila na ang importansya ng pagiging malinis at active at makakatulong ito sa pag-develop ng good habits na magagamit nila sa pang-araw-araw. So isasagawa ito through a one-day program na may health talk, hand washing demonstration, and fun exercise at games. So this project is also aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So it supports SDG 3, good health and well-being, dahil tinutulungan natin ang mga bata na maiwasan ng sakit at maging healthy. SDG 4, quality education, dahil natututo sila through fun and meaningful activities. So hindi lang ito school activity, nakakatulong dun ito sa global goals. So as a future physical education teacher, naniniwala ko na mas natututo ang students kapag sila ay active at involved. So this project promotes physical activity through fun experiences and exercises, healthy habits through hygiene practices, at holistic development ng bata. So sa physical education, hindi lang tayo nagtuturo ng sports. So, tinuturuan din natin ang ating mga estudyante kung paano mamuhay na healthy at active. At kapag bata pa lang, natutunan nila ito, mas mataas ang chance na madadala nila ito hanggang sa kanilang pagtanda. So, in conclusion, ang Project Healthy Moves ay isang simple pero makabuluhang programa na makakatulong sa mga bata na maging mas healthy at active. Ito ay fun, educational, at madaming i-implement sa schools. I am hoping for your support para maisakatuparan ang proyekto na ito. Let us all work together to promote galaw at kalikasan para sa malusog na kabataan. Thank you and have a great day.